Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. One, two, three chains, yarn over, one double crochet, one, two, three, one, two, three, yarn over, one double crochet, one, two, three, one, two, three, yarn over, one double crochet, one, two, three chains, one yarn over, two yarn over, three, four, five, six yarn over, slip stitch, two yarn together, slip stitch, three yarn, one, two, three, yarn together, one, two, three, yarn together, three yarn together, one, two, three, yarn together, one, two, three, yarn together, two yarn together, one chain, single crochet, one, two, three, four, five, six, single crochet. In this one single crochet, one yarn over and repeat, two yarn over, three, four, five, six, two yarn together, slip stitch, three yarn, eight, make three chains, yarn over, one, two yarn over, three, four, five, six, two yarn slip stitch together, three yarn slip stitch, three yarn, three yarn, and two yarn together. Make a chain, one single crochet, two single crochet, three single crochet, 4, 5, 6 single crochet, single crochet in this one,